Greetings to all. I am Dr. Ashok Kumar Katta, Department MBA Vistas Program MBA Semester 2 Subject Operations Management. Today we are going to talk about Six Sigma. What is Six Sigma and why the topic of Six Sigma is so important to study. Whenever we are talking about Six Sigma, before that we should talk about quality. What is meant by quality? How are you going to conform it or defining about to the quality? As of now, there is no clear-cut definition about to the quality. Based on usage, based on the performance, based on the availability, everyone was defining various ways about to the quality. Now, according to the customer point of view, when the product was satisfied his needs without any hiccups, then he will say that product is a qualitative. Being a manufacturers, they will be assuming that if the product is no defects or a zero defects products when you are producing, they will say that this is the quality of the product. And somebody may say that when you have there is a value addition for your product, then that is also to be qualitative one. So person to person, usage to usage, the definition of quality which is going to be changed by frequently. Now we are going to talking about whenever the quality, we should know about what is this Six Sigma. How this Six Sigma is helpful for you. Six Sigma is a set of management tools, techniques which are all designed for the sake of to improve the capability of the business process by reducing the likelihood of errors. When you are using a pen, when you are using a water bottle, when you are using a mobile phone or laptop or a two-wheeler or four-wheeler, whatever it is, if the product doesn't have any kind of errors, and moreover every time they are taking some kind of value addition, innovation, then we can say that product is good. The person who knows when they are using the product, there is a problem in the product or they found some kind of defect and they are adjusting with that, and they know the very clearly there is some kind of problem, then your quality standards are not up to the mark being a manufacturers. The Six Sigma was also saying the zero errors when there is a business process and it should be a continuous improvement, then the company will be following Six Sigma standard rules and regulations. If they are ignoring or somehow only they are maintaining, then it will not be called it as a Six Sigma. Moreover, Six Sigma is a data driven approach that uses for a statistical methodology for eliminating the defects of a particular product or by the services. Because of this, what will happen, your defects rates is going to be coming down, your profits are drastically increasing. So far we all are assuming that some international companies or blue chip companies, they are running very successfully without any kind of manufacturing of a error product or a damaged product. It will be there, but they will identify, they will stop it at the production department only. They won't allow to cross their four walls. But some companies, they are giving an excuse. They are simply forwarding it to somebody else. All these are directly, indirectly will be influencing the quality of your product. Here you can find out the Six Sigma Institute was given a particular plan how the Six Sigma will be materialized or will be working. First we need to define in the sense of what was the product was available in the market, what kind of innovation we have done, how far this innovation will be the valid in the market, what customers are expecting from us. We need to recognize their wants, their needs. Once you realize this is what customer was requested or they should be required, you need to fine tune those things and you need to be define this is what the problem of each and every one. When you define it, then you will go for the next step, that is measure on what level the seriousness of the problem. We will find out similarly 4 or 5 problems or 20 problems, but we need to be knowing very clearly to measure about the severity of the problem. Then we should go for analyzing. In the analyzing, we will be come to know which one we need to do for the first, which one we have to do for the next process. So we should be analyzing it very clearly. Once you are analyzing, then that will move on to the next step as a improved process. In the improved process, they will be taking the inputs of the define. What is the need, requirement, or what kind of things are expecting by the customers. All these things will be considered and they will be incorporated in the product. See an example, political example like Nirmala Sitharaman being a finance minister. When she is going to prepare the budget, she won't prepare just like that by saying the last year budget base, she won't increase 5% or 6% of the amount. She will be understanding what is the resources are available in the environment, what the government want to do, where they want to pump in financial resources, where they want to stop it, what kind of development activities they were decided to do for the society. Welfare, development, both are two eyes for the each and every government. By seeing all these things, they will be incorporate all these inputs in their budget. Same thing in the company also, they will understanding about the customer requirement, market share, their productivity, profitability, availability of the product and all these things. They will be come up with a proper innovation or improvement of quality. Then finally they will come up with improve by manufacturing or by producing of the innovative product, zero defect product manufacturing. Then ultimately controlling will be taking place. Whenever you are taking a new initiative, there is a scope of wrongful or wrong direction. We need to be knowing it, we need to cut short it, those kind of things for the grand success of your company. In the left side also you can find out the practical problems, statistical problems, solutions and practical solutions, control plan, ultimately the results of it. Here the practical problems means we need to understand about what is the actual performance of the business, what kind of impact the business was getting from the society and what kind of impact you are putting on the society. You should know about the practical, the realistic problems, black and white, so that only people will understood this is the fact what we supposed to do. Let them discuss, let them come up with a new idea. Statistical problems also will be knowing and talking about as a in a simple they will call it as a fact sheet. How a company will be studying with the help of the SWOT analysis. Here also we are talking about product related the statistical confirmations, the problems, hiccups and what they are supposed to do, what kind of modification they are supposed to do, where is the defect of the product which is come to know with the statistical issues. When you find the problem in statistical, you need to come up with a solution also. Where is the problem? Machine problem or product problem or employee problem. Because of this, ultimately the product was not match up with a next object. So those things immediately we need to identify and give the appropriate solution for that. So the practical solutions is all the time to give a boost for your profits. Your wastages will be coming down because people are identified there is no defect in the product which is worthy, then definitely they will be accepting it for purchasing your product for evermore. Ultimately your controlling mechanism was also very good. The results are showing a positive result. This is directly indirectly will be influencing your voice of the customers and their process we are implemented, and then we are giving a choice to the customers or our buyers Yes, we have done all your queries and all your requirements related. Our product will be a single solution for you. Then people will be accepting it. The same thing was given here also in the name of DMAIC. D for define, M for measure, A for analyze, I for improve, C for control. All the time we need to identify to give the topmost priority for a right or a good project which was required by the buyers users. Measure. Once you are identified the right project from the customer point of view, from the competitive advantage point of view, then definitely you need to come up with add up a boost up. When you are going for a war, you should be ready with the dress, with the sword, the strategy, war strategy. Here also, all your problems you know very well. Now you should be ready with the key product changes, the parameters, everything you need to be measure it. You need to go for the market for grand success in the market. Analyzing. What are you going to analyze? You are going to analyzing about the identified problems in the market. Relatively, you are giving a very good determinant solution for the entire process. Moreover, we are talking about the improve. Establish a periodical models. So today we are very happy. We are the succeed company in the market. Then definitely after 5 years, when you are not doing any kind of proper measurements, proper feedback, proper updates in your product, then you are the last person in the market. Because companies are fighting for manufacturing of a new product by producing the more quality with zero defects, lower prices. All these strategies, it is just like a continuous learning. How an IT employee was joined in a particular project, he will never feel that yes, I'm in job here and after I don't want any kind of updates. Means you will be out from the market after 5 years or 4 years. There is a lot of innovation was taking place. Being an employee, you should be update yourself. The same thing was happened in the companies also. You need to update yourself by understanding the better way of the customers. Ultimately you will be a succeed person. Control. You need to hold all your gains. Moreover, you need to have a proper control all your losses, expenses, unnecessary things or wastage things so that optimum product or services can be given to the market. Now we are at the end of the session by discussing about some descriptive questions. Why innovation? As you all know, without an innovation, the required needs cannot be fulfilled by the companies. The man is continuously having n number of wants and requirements. When you fulfill one, again another is going to be generated. Innovation is all the time, which is going to give boost up for the market. Types of innovation. Innovation may be production related, operation related, HR related, marketing related, organizational development related, what not else. Everywhere we can give some kind of boost up for your development of innovations. Directly, indirectly, in each and every place we need to give priority for the innovation. Thank you.